work that it has taken to make tonight possible, and what a night it's been so far.
And I'll tell you what a great job they've done putting this event together. Great save right there, far post, near post rather. Anton Widén.
Now Widén on the move. This was off of a rebound. He was able to stay with it. Those rebounds can be tough, Eddie.
Absolutely, great reflexes right there. He stayed with it, far post, not able to get the ball there, and here comes the counter.
Foot race, flag looked like it may have come out, did not. And now the Dynamo trying to square one up. There it is, another great save. Widén.
Bronico with a chance right around the penalty spot, and once again, Anton with a great save. That's two in the last 5 minutes. Without 1-2 in the box, Bronico takes a little cut with his left foot. Wide open shot, right into the hands of the goalkeeper. This is pretty much a wide open game now in the middle of the field.
Shot defended there. Rebound comes back. Carolina still pressing. And once again, the goalie Widén bails out Tormenta. Now it's Anunga. He has got a lethal right foot. Coming up to play it is Widén. And Tormenta clears it.
Will do so. And of course, when you go up 2-0, what more can you ask for? Once again, another chance for the Dynamo.
Yeah, speaking of what more can you ask for? What more can you ask for from Anton Widén? He has done his job tonight.
He has. He's been keeping this Tormenta team just safe.
Anunga comes out of there again like he has so many times tonight. Touch back to Widén.
And that's what I was talking to players. That was the third goal by the Mental Star. Well, the Red Bulls now. We're watching it. Going up 3-0.
Carolina still attacking. They want more. And Widén makes another save.
Tanner Roberts with a great left foot shot to the far post. Anton with a good save. See Roberts controlling the ball right around the E, looking for that far post. Anton gets down.
Anton Widén in the net for Tormenta FC. This is a great ball. Widén punches it out. It leaves a dead-on shot, but the defense comes to help. There's Widén again getting a hand on it as he saves it, and that's the first spectacular save.
Great job coming down. Right outside, that was going back to the net.
This corner again dangerous. Tormenta. Another great play by their goalie. So Widén makes back-to-back plays. Dumpster out of Yump. Fourth of the home ground just behind Anton Widén. Here we go. Ryan King is denied. Rebound is no good. What a save by Anton Widén.
Outstanding save. We talk about how the ability you have to go through your coming at the end. Here it is again. It's coming at the end for Tormenta. Yes, in the right way. Double save right there.
Rebound, get it going once again. Justice Bradley out of San Antonio, Texas, gets it up to Graham Termstad. Well, near breakdown there and an open shot. Tremendous save by Anton Widén.
Great save once again by the goalkeeper. And there's a foul on top of the box. The referee let it go, let it play, say played on. And good chance for number 11, Walt Stevens, who found himself one-on-one with the goalkeeper. Give credit once again to Widén Anton, who just came out, closed that angle. He came up huge, and once again saves the Tormenta FC from going down early in this game.
Anton Widén made that tremendous save a week ago on that free penalty kick in the first half. Made another dandy right for themselves.
That was the right idea, though, trying to play that negative ball to the near post, no runs, and here comes the counter.
That Counter's been open for most of the first half. There's the shot. Widén once again able to deny it.
What a great save. Graham Jernstad on top of the box. He drives that ball to the far post. Anton once again just lays down, and that is the hardest ball for a goalkeeper to grab. Cross angle right here. Look at this. Goes to his left. He tries to go to the goalkeeper's left. He's fully extended right there. That could have very easily been a goal, Drew. It's a great save once again from both teams.
Widén has come up big a few times tonight. That's a tough shot, and he'll go up, make it look easy for the home team, and another great round of applause for him, head coach in this league.
Yeah, he got a chance to play for the Charleston Battery in the A-League.
Here comes the Bantams again. This one gonna try and score it away from Widén, but he is right there on top of it.
Watch Anton with a great sense of, we talk about even Kieran Roberts, who came on and has done a great job. Nico Rittmeyer's done a great job, playing that number 9, even though he's number 11. And of course, that big guy in the back, Widén Anton, he's been starting. He's been a starter, but you know what? How can you take him out? There's no way. He keeps you in the game every time. He gives you that confidence out of the back.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Just wait long enough. That's going to be a big one.